Good day. The topic that is given to us is lifestyle economics among Filipino college students, a microeconomic perspective outlook. The lifestyle economics is that part of the economy where the choice of work is partly or wholly driven by the worker's desire for environment rather than remuneration. The term lifestyle economics refers to a microeconomic perspective that emphasizes the relationship between the individual and their life choices. In this case, we are looking at how Filipino students choose between generic and branded clothes. There is no universally accepted definition of the lifestyle economics, despite the fact that most people are aware of what it means. Statement of the problem. Number 1. What are the implications of lifestyle economics among Filipino college students? Number 2. How does lifestyle economics affect Filipino college students in terms of the following? A. Choice sets and opportunity cost. B. More is better. C. Sudden jump.
Choice sets and opportunity cost. The question of choosing between generic and branded clothes will be looked at as a possible choice set for Filipino college students in relation to lifestyle if the students simply want clothes that are cost efficient and wearable that they can put on a daily basis. More is better. In this case, we have two bundles on the same indifference curve, A and B, but B has more of both generic and branded clothes than does A. The idea that the more is better approach might be a factor in Filipino students is supported by a number of students. This suggests that spending money on non-essential items may be linked with having a higher income will buy a branded clothes rather than buying generic clothes, which also supports the idea that they like to more is better. Sudden jumps. The sudden jumps in which Filipino students choose to spend their money are important because they provide insight into how Filipino students choose to spend their money. These sudden jumps can be seen as necessities and non-essentials, but it is important to note that many of these sudden jumps are related to things like food, transportation, and housing.
In conclusion, microeconomics is a useful tool for understanding and influencing the decision of individuals and households. It helps us understand why people make certain choices so that we can better advise them and help them make good decisions. As a result, it is important for everyone to understand the basic principles of microeconomics, especially if they want to help others to make a smart and financial decision. In the end, we can say that lifestyle economics is a microeconomic perspective that emphasizes how individuals make choice about their lifestyle preference. The result of this is a tendency to spend more on generic clothes, but also creates an environment in which people are able to choose how they want to live.